All right, everybody, we're sitting in a 95 Mitsubishi 3000GT. Cranks up just fine. But have you ever been in your 3000GT and you cut your radio on and you get the radio code? Well, most likely, if this has happened to you, your battery might have died at one point or another. So here's what you're gonna do in the year 2022. You're gonna go to your glove box, grab your owner's manual out of the glove box here, and if your technician at the Mitsubishi dealer, when they did the PDI on the car back in '95, did the right thing, they would have written the radio code right there on the back of the manual. So in this case, the code is 9372, and you're gonna punch it in right in there, and the radio should cut back on. Now here's the question: where is the 9 and the 7? If the code's 9372, I only got a 6 right there. So how do you punch in the radio code? That's the question. So for that, I go to my boss, Chris, and ask him, because he is an 80s, 90s car junkie nerd. He should know the answer to the question. All right, so if you're interested in knowing how we actually got the 9372 or whatever those numbers were on the screen here, all you got to do is just click on these buttons right in here, and that will actually make it possible to be able to scroll up and down and all to be able to click on those numbers. Once you get the numbers in, the 4-digit code, your enter button basically is this button right here, tape. Just click on tape, and that will be your enter button, and that will enter it in, and your radio will cut back on, and then next thing you know, you're jamming out, having a jolly old time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you watching another video.